Hello students, as we started our second lesson of 8th standard, that is interior of the earth, interior of the earth, and we have discussed about the interior of the earth and some activities we have seen and have given some homework also. So before seeing this video again, you should have to keep textbook in front of you and notebook also to mark down some points, and just have to mark answers also of extra questions as well as exercise questions also while teaching. Okay, and note down all this in your notebooks for your preparation. Today we are going to see the layers of the interior of the earth. The layers of the interior of the earth. Which are the layers of the interior of the earth and their characteristics. On page number 10, see, one box has given, do you know? Do you know this one? See. Okay, in that one information has given about earth, that is very important. Okay, that also you must note down in your notebook. Our earth was formed approximately, okay, approximately 4.6 billion years ago. So our earth was formed. Our earth was formed near about 4.6 billion years ago. Billion, 1 billion is 1 crore, means approximately 400 crore years ago it formed. Note down this for fill in the blanks or answer in one sentence. Initially, at the beginning, the earth was in a gaseous state. Initially, at start, how it was in a gaseous state. Gaseous means vayu. Okay, it started cooling through the process of radiation. The earth then liquefied. With time, the outermost part of the earth cooled first. The outermost part of the earth cooled first. That is the crust. First part. That is crust. And this outermost layer of the earth is called the crust. So, what is crust? What is called crust? The outermost layer of the earth is called crust. Note down this answer in your notebook. Okay, this is also question for you. Then even today, outer planets of the solar system are in a gaseous state. Outer planets, inner planets. Okay, inner planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. All these are the inner planets. Outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, all these are outer planets, and Pluto also along with that. So all these are outer planets. All these planets are in a gaseous states. Gaseous means vayu. Okay, understand? So this information regarding our earth you should have to note down. This 4.6 crores it was formed years ago. Then the composition of the earth's interior, how it is. Okay, try this. One activity has given, you should have to try at home Okay, carry out the following activity by dividing the students into two groups. Now we are at home, so you should do at your own self. Use the pictures on the back cover for reference. Okay, so steps in the process of knowing the interior of the earth. So explanation has given, we will discuss about that. So see what you should have to do. Take a clay balls of three colors. Which colors? Clay, you know that, clay. Three balls you should have to take. Red, yellow and blue. Red, yellow and blue. As shown in the picture. Red, then yellow and blue. These three type of clay balls you should have to take. Then make the red ball bigger. Make the red ball bigger. Okay. Then roll out the yellow color ball. Roll it down. You will get a flat roti like structure after just rolling down that yellow color ball. Place the red color ball inside the yellow one. Inside the yellow one you should have to place red ball. One like you feel Puran in a Puran Poli. Example has given, just like we should feel Puran in Puran Poli, in the same way you should have to place the red color ball inside the yellow one like. Just we place Puran in Puran Poli. Now give it the shape of the sphere. Give it the shape of the sphere. Circle. Okay. Now roll out the blue ball. Again roll out the blue ball and feel the yellow one in it. And just you should have to feel it yellow in it as done earlier. Make a sphere out of these two. Then again out of these two you should have to make spherical ball. Spherical ball in this way. 13 number step, you should have to make this type of ball. Steps are given here. In these steps you should have to follow all these steps, all these instructions. Okay, this activity you should have to do at home. Show the continents in yellow of this sphere like a globe. Now your globe made from clay is ready. And to see the interior of the earth, cut the sphere. How it is. How the interior of the earth is. You can observe that. So cut the sphere exactly in half. Exactly in half away. Just like that. Just cut it down. In half away. Just ardha bhag. Half means ardha bhag. Then you can see various layers of colors inside, like the layers of the earth's interior. In the same way we are able to see layers of the earth's interior. All these are the layers of the earth interior. You can able to see that. Yes, this type of colors. Red, yellow, blue. If cutting that spherical part of these balls, just like that, you are able to see. See here, interior of these parts. Interior of the layers of the earth. Red, yellow, blue. Just like that. See image in your textbook. We will see geographical explanation. So while going from the earth's surface to its course, from the surface of the earth, when we are going towards earth's center or to its course, major changes occurs in temperature. As we have discussed that temperature is increasing down towards the earth's course, and density also. Density means ghanata. Okay, density of that layers inside the earth With respect to these two elements, the Earth's interior can be divided into following layers. Into following layers, the Earth can be divided into following layers. That tree diagram is very important according to your examination. Note down it, learn it, write down it in your notebook. This is homework for you. Write down the layers of the interior of the Earth. Okay, then image also, that figure number 2.3 also you should have to draw in your notebook. That is homework for you. It is very important according to your examination. Okay, so layers of the interior of the Earth. Which are the layers? So in exercise questions, all these have given, these questions have given what are the two parts of the crust, what is the basis of classification. Now all these are the answers. Note down and differentiate all these answers in your textbook, from the textbook. Okay, markings I am giving now. Okay, and then you should have to write down all these answers for your exercise questions. It is very important. Okay, the layers of the interior of the Earth. First, crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle and core. First layer is crust, then second layer is mantle, third layer is core. Of crust there are two parts, continental crust and oceanic crust. Continental crust and oceanic crust. Then of mantle, upper mantle, then lower mantle, cores, outer core, inner core. Note down all these parts for your answers. Okay, these are the parts, these are the layers of the interior of the Earth. See in your image. This one blue color, crust, continental crust, oceanic crust, bhubha crust, bhubha. Okay, that we can say as in our language. Okay, that is crust. See, continental crust first, then oceanic crust, then second one is of mantle, then outer core, then inner core. This one, and mantle also, upper mantle and lower mantle. Of mantle also two parts are there. Okay, and of crust also two parts are there. So this diagram is very important according to your examination. Draw this, practice this as a homework. Okay. Figure number 2.1, diagram showing the structure of the interior of the Earth. The crust. What is crust? We will discuss step by step. Yes. The uppermost layer of the Earth's surface is in solid state. Uppermost layer of the Earth crust is in solid state and is called the crust. This is the answer of what is called the crust. What is called the crust? This is the answer for your question. Note down. This question may be asked. Okay? The thickness of the crust is not the same everywhere. It is not same everywhere of crust. On an average, it is 30 to 35 kilometer. Note down. Mark it down. For fill in the blanks. Answer in one sentence. On an average, it is 30 to 35 kilometer. Again, figure number 2.2, image showing the Earth's interior. The distance it has shown. The thickness of the crust below the continents is from 16 to 45 kilometers. Below the crust, 16 to 45 kilometers. 40 kilometers under the mountain ranges and less than 10 kilometer under the oceans. Okay, so see, the thickness of the crust below the continents is from 16 till 45 kilometers below the crust, the distance. Okay, then 40 kilometers under the mountain ranges. Whatever mountain ranges are there, Himalayas, Araulis, Satpura, Sahyadris. So under these mountain ranges, 40 kilometers just we are going, and less than 10 kilometers under the oceans. Less than 10 kilometers, less than 10 kilometers under the surface of the ocean, seabed. Okay, as we move deeper under the surface, temperature increases. As we are going under the surface, temperature increases, because volcanic eruptions, when we observe, it is very hot, that magma, that hot magma, lava. That's why as we move deeper under the surface, temperature increases. After that, the rate of increase in temperature reduces and again increases in the cores. So as the center of the earth temperature is around 5500 degree, 5500 degree to 6000 degree Celsius, that you can note down. At the center of the earth, what is the temperature of earth? That is 5500 degree to 6000 degree Celsius. The crust is the thinnest of all the layers. This one, it is the thinnest of all the layers, and when compared to the mantle and the cores, it can be divided into two sub layers. So that image has shown of Earth's interior. This one, see in your textbook, crust 30 kilometer average. This one, 30 kilometer average. This upper layer of crust, this. Okay, then upper mantle is there from here, this one, upper mantle, this. Okay, this is the image of crust and mantle, then lithosphere, that is 100 kilometer, then mantle is in solid state, then outer core liquid state, inner core liquid state, earth center 6371 kilometers. That is the distance from the surface of Earth's center, 6371 kilometers. This image, this figure 2.2 is also important according to your examination. This is also homework for you. Draw this image, draw this diagram, draw this figure also in your notebook. So differentiate all these things in your notebook. This tree diagram you can draw in your notebook, all these parts, and just have to see exercise questions also according to that explanation. According to our markings, you should have to solve your exercise questions and learn. While teaching, I am giving markings. We will discuss that properly. Okay, and do your homework. Next part we will see, we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice